Ladies and gentlemen, greetings from out here in Greece. This is Elafonissos, Zimos Beach. My name is DJ Olde, and this is a brand new project what I'm doing because I met so many nice people and so many crazy people with crazy cars. And today I'm visiting my man Mario, because my man Mario, he got the truck from Germany, and what he did is absolutely insane, people. Okay, check this out. So guys, let's go in to my friend Mario, building his dream with this car. Mario, hello, can I come in? Can I come into your dream world?
Of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you see here is not from this world. This is like unbelievable. I will show you some videos of how he folds that out, because it's the room already. Like it's the hotel 5-star LA view room here at Zimos Beach. Elafonissos, Mario, you take the microphone. Tell me about this project. This is so insane. How did you come up with this idea, and what made you passionate about creating such a monster? Because you know, I drive a Marco Polo V-Class, and what I have is like a small thing combined to your car, and this is like a real apartment. Like, you know, the friends hanging out. Your wife is here. Your dog is here. Hello, friends from Germany here. You know, you have such a great time. You can throw a party up in here. So Mario,
Bring even more people.
yeah, you know I'm a DJ too, so this is my place to DJing. Mario, tell me about your story with this car. How did you come up with the idea?
You know, the richest woman in the world, the lady who wrote the book Harry Potter.
Yeah.
They ask her, now that you have all this money, what is it? Because she used to be poor. What's the thing that you appreciate the more with all the money that you have now?
Yeah.
And she said the ability to travel anywhere, anytime, anywhere I want. And I believe that's the fact for most, if not all, the people in the world. That what we appreciate is to be able to travel, to have the time to travel, and to visit places like that. So for a very young age, I had this dream to be able to travel like I'm doing now with this build. I built it in order to be able to be on the roads without missing the confidence, the comfort,
Yes.
the comfort of my house.
Yes.
It's been more than 10 years that I've been thinking a build like that, and I'm very excited that I finally have it and I enjoy it.
Crazy. The feeling of being on the road and living in a house. I heard that your wife, she was not into van life before, right? And you're getting a baby very soon, I think 1 month ago, right? Yeah. So your baby is coming, and that's why you need this, right? Because I think living in a small Volkswagen Boss with a baby is not what you want, right?
I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind traveling in a smaller. It's not a smaller camper van. If I was by myself, but because my girl wasn't into this type of lifestyle, I want to make it as comfortable as I could for her, so she doesn't complain, and to be able to hit the roads for months without having her complaining. Yeah, that was a main thought to getting this big of a build.
Crazy. Before we go over to the outside, everybody wants to see the outside. I know that, because this is like, you have to see it from the outside, and I will insert some videos of how you fold it out, because originally it's just a regular truck, right? It's just a regular truck, so I will insert the video after this, so you can see how we did it.
So, hopefully this goes. Actually, I want them.
Yeah, don't destroy it. I will insert the video here.
Yeah. So the sides are closing the one on top of the other, and this is the last part that you can see when it's closed, that comes and seals the whole extension. And similar way, this is hydraulic door. It comes down. Once it comes down, you open that. Once this open, you open the sides, and the sideways also you can pull them to close like that. Nice. So you can seal this place as well, and all in total it's 32 square meter.
32?
32 square meters once it's all all the extensions.
Okay, so yeah, we only have one. I have another microphone, but I only have one here, so we have to exchange the microphone. Tell me something about the technical part behind this project, because you know you have. I heard you have AC in the house, like a real fucking AC.
It's all day working. And
all day.
It doesn't affect my battery because I have this hybrid inverter. If you can check it, I have this hybrid inverter. So
Yeah.
it's below. It's lower.
Yeah.
This this inverter sends directly the energy from the solars.
Yeah.
Delivers the energy directly to the appliances
Uh-huh.
all day long. And once the daylight is gone, the battery kicks in.
Yeah.
So it's a 5,000 watt inverter. My battery is 9,000 watts capacity, and the solar, I have 6 solar panels, 450 watt each, which deliver a total of 2,700 watts, watt hours.
2,700.
Yeah.
So 2,700 watt power. So that means you can run your whole climate system from your solar.
Yes, the laundry and the air condition sometimes work together at the same time, and my battery shows 100% throughout the daytime.
So people, you cannot believe it. It's not only the air conditioning. It's a real fucking washing machine in the house, ladies and gentlemen. You see this? This is like when I go to Sheraton and I ask the wife at the entrance to wash my shit. You have it here. Like you have a real washing machine here. Then you have a real fridge in here. Like a real fridge, not a camper fridge.
So that's a fridge for a house.
A house fridge, and then you have a freezer, right?
Yes, a freezer.
Wow! And this is the bathroom, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't want to I didn't want to show it earlier. I have to show it now because it's so. Can you turn on the lights?
The lights, even more light.
Oh, watch this! Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. This is so awesome. Like I think there are so many hotels you don't get this kind of luxury in the hotel room, but you have it here. A full-size shower, man.
An expensive part was this Nebia shower.
Yeah.
It cost me $500 to bring it from United States.
I think they don't hear you.
Sorry. This Nebia shower cost me €500 to bring it from United States, and another €300 for custom fees.
Wow.
That's insane.
Wow.
I mean, but it's really worth it. It saves water. It uses only 70% less water than a normal shower, and
Crazy.
it's a very nice feature to have.
Okay, and after the shower, you have the toilet. What is going with the toilet?
The toilet's very popular toilet. If you see 8 out of 10 van lifers, they use this composting toilet by Nature's Head, and there's odors free. There's no smell at all.
Okay.
And
you store it in the tank there.
yes, they can search more about Nature's Head in another video. But I believe it's the best option to have. You should empty it once a month.
Mm-hmm.
So it's beautiful to use.
So only once a month you have to empty it, and
Yes.
it doesn't smell nothing.
Nothing.
Can the girl in the house? Say this is right? Does it not smell the toilet?
Yeah, I can confirm.
It never smells.
No.
Okay, if the lady says that, it's perfect. And yeah, we see the beauty of all of this. Liz, you're having a good time too, right? Yeah, you have outdoor. We're here at Simos Beach. I told you before, Simos Beach is such a nice place, a little island here, Elafonisos in Greece, and yeah, this is the most crazy thing ever. And for me, he has real water. How much water do you have, man?
I have 500 liters of water. 500 liters and 250 liters of gray water.
Oh shit!
I don't need a black water tank because we're using a composting toilet. So it's only the 500 liters and the 250, which I constantly empty to travel. I don't need to carry this thing.
Yeah. Okay, and for me the beauty, like when I see behind you, it's very bright behind your shoulders.
Yeah. When I travel, it doesn't show any windows or anything that to make you think that this is a camper truck. But once we stop in either side, like with the back side, let's say we need to park with the back side, we have the view from the back.
Yes.
We park like now on the sideways, and the views here. We have view from the side, beautiful opening here. And if, let's say, we need to park from the front side, we still have this that I show you how it opens earlier. it opens thick here, and you wake up. You wake up with all the beautiful.
Step out. I need to step out.
Yes, for sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch this. This is the bed. This is the bed. This is so awesome. He has his power here for smartphones. He has his lights here, and he can laze here on the bed comfortably with a view on the sea, on the beach. And you see, when I show and the stars. This is so crazy. Like, it's a full size. It's more than 2 meters, right?
It's 2 meters length. And
2 meters. 160. Wow. 2 meters 160, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most beautiful beds I've ever seen in a camper van.
We're using Truma Kobe for the heat, but which is not installed. I have my Truma in here, and I still have to install the pipes during for the winter camping. But from what they're saying, this is the best system to have for heating system.
So you really can heat and cool down your van all day long just with the solar.
Just with solar so far. We just start using the truck 7 days now, and throughout the 7-day period we have this on because it's extremely hot, and during July in Greece it's 32-35 degrees Celsius. So we have this on all day. I even go to the beach. I go to the beach to swim, and I leave it open, so I find a cool place when I come back. And it's 100%. That's the most exciting thing for me, to be sustainable like that, to have energy, to run my air conditioner and my laundry and stuff throughout the whole day without affecting my battery.
It's so unbelievable because right now the doors are open and it's still very cool inside. Like, it's cooler inside than outside.
It's crazy windy.
It's windy, and the air conditioning kicks in a little bit. Let me show you the thing from the outside, because this is like really, really crazy. You go down these steps, and then from the outside you have these parts. I showed you before how it opens, but this is the part in the back, and then you have this crazy thing standing out. Yo, check this out. This is so crazy, and it's like a real apartment, you know, a real apartment somewhere in the nature. And you can watch through the windows. You can throw some parties in there. You can have a damn good time with all the people. And yeah, it's just an old German truck. What he did is so incredible. Like, he converted an old German truck into a very luxury hotel room on the road. Unbelievable work here at Semos Beach. Insane. Mario, this is really insane. I want to thank you for this. I want to thank you for this room tour. It was a wonderful tour. I think the people will love it on YouTube. It's my first room tour ever. YouTube room tour. So thanks.
It's my first experience traveling in this way, and I love it. And I think I'll be loving it forever as I'm alive, as long as I'm alive. And it's a little, Luisa finds it a little bit dramatic, but I truly believe that it's an incredible way of living. Last night, if you can drop a little bit of footage, how beautiful we were, total strangers, and we gathered together, and we became friends instantly, because living this way, I love it, man, and I wish for more people, if they can plan their way to experience something like that, I wish to all of them.
Thanks. Mario, thanks. Good luck with the baby, you too. I wish you a wonderful life, and yeah, enjoy the travel life on the road with your mobile home. Thank you.
Did you show Jules? He's a true explorer.
He also likes it, right?
I like it now, but he is an explorer.
Real explorer. Nice. Okay, cool.